Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Levels. So the workflow team continues to just pound out the amazing updates. And today they have come out with a brand new feature release on the array function. So there is an array function already in the workflow, and they've added the ability to do a filter action. And so the idea here, let's walk this use case down. So often a user may want to perform an action only to certain items in the array. So you get an array coming in, and this can be from anywhere, but just imagine a webhook. And I'll show you actually, let's see if we can find a quick example here. So the Shopify line items, just kind of showing how you can actually specify how you want to attack this. But imagine, actually maybe that's a better example. So maybe you get in this webhook from like an array from Shopify, like a webhook or something, and you only want to really operate on the line item. So you want to loop through the array, but the only thing you really care about is the array of the line items. Excuse me, and then that's what you want to operate on. So as you can see over here, you can basically do that with this filter action. So i.e. you can filter the array by a product group and then send it via a custom webhook. So it gives you a lot more control over the data that you're operating on inside the array. This is a very, well, I don't know if it's very advanced, but it is an advanced workflow. And you can see here, once you do the filter, you can get down to each original. So like, let's say again, we're filtering through an array. An array, for anybody who doesn't know what an array is just a list. So let's say you have like a list of line items. So you inside those line, you just want to touch those line items. So first you filter down the line items, and then within each of those line items, we then show you all the different fields. So like in this case, title, price, quantity, image, etc. So then you can just operate on those items as you're filtering through, as you're looping through that array, because you're instead of looping through every array, you're just looping through the one array around line items, which is what you want. So anyways, if that sounds like complex, it is because it is kind of a complex use case. So don't sweat it if you don't get it. Oh, that rhymes. Isn't that amazing? So anyways, there's also an awesome support document as well. So if you search workflow array function, you can kind of go through this at your leisure and kind of figure this out. But this is really just a great way to help any of you who are trying to do even more complex or specific workflow formats or flows to be able to create some specificity around it. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.